supermarket. Hello guys, good morning po. Pupunta po tayo ngayon sa school. Meron po tayong ayusin. So, naka-ready na po ako at mga bata. Ayan. Meron lang kaming gagawin doon. And then, i-treat natin din ang mga bata sa labas. Doon na lang po kami mag-lunch. Kasi matagal na din hindi kami na-treat. Hindi ko sila na-treat. So, i-treat natin ang mga bata ngayon. Kain po tayo sa labas. Kami lang, tatlo lang kami. So, maglalakad po kami.
Yes. I showed her, and then I said, when did you take this photo? I told her, like, today I went to the supermarket, like, around 10, 11. She said, I'm not coming, I was there.
Oh, really? Mary is good. Mary,
Of course,
Mary.
she's good, yeah.
Tignan nyo ang hat ko. From Philippines. I'm proud to wear. Native hat from Philippines. Oh. So, on the way na kami sa school. And this is my ate. Let's go.
Yellow. What you will say?
No. What are you? Show them this.
Apparently it's slided for me because I have Nike. I have Nike Zoom. I have Nike Zoom. So let's Zoom. Yeah, mommy. Guys, that's water. Like this water. I want to stop the car.
Oh, is it Cheyenne? Cheyenne.
Let's go take video.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It's like cinematic vlog. Movie.
I did okay, my not anymore.
Oh, that's so cute. You're so cute. Oh, when we come back. Okay?
You're speaking with the cat.
Yeah. You know me.
How? How does it know?
You know me. I said I'm a animal lover. Like you.
I thought you were a dog lover, not cat lover.
Both.
Oh, you can off the heat.
Button. Pasok na po tayo sa school ng mga bata.
Smala wasser internet tahon.
Come here.
If we judge the internet, we can skip.
You can send to daddy now, I see. Okay, we come back. Thank you.
I need the paper back.
No, this will stay with us.
Oh, but I'm.
Photocopy it on your mobile. This I need it.
Do you do what you love? The Rolling Stones, London, 1999. Why do they have Sigma faces? Like look, the view is right now.
There. Panadura. Dito po tayo kakain ng breakfast. Meron din pong ukay-ukay dito. $5. Let's eat. Here, been a long time. 3 malushi, lahmi. Bonjour. Badiklete lahmi baji. Yeah, like it out. Laklete. No. Oh, so far. Kain po, tapos na kami sa school.
Let the kid get you. Let my daughter get you.
You still need me.
Ano?
Too much. Thank you.
Mommy, where is it?
After plate, hada bring that. No, ma'am, I don't know. Take it. Yeah.
One.
Yes, sure. It's okay. Ian, you want?
Yeah.
No, don't put your food. It's dirty.
Tama po. How's Dawson? Very sure. One time one. I don't know. Yeah. Mommy, don't forget the water. There we go. Is it okay if I can put my food there?
Either for you,
Yeah, you want?
I will drink. Check before you drink, okay?
Open it, Mommy.
Let's po. Ito ang na-miss ko sa
Oh,
Lebanon.
Mommy.
Yung,
Mommy, maybe my thumb is hurting because of
ito yung
the
laban,
open-
yogurt, fresh milk. Hold.
I have a straw. I have a straw. I said I have a straw.
Give me the straw.
No, beside it in the road.
Ah?
In the road.
You don't.
Here's my straw. Who opened my straw?
Me.
Bro. That's my straw. Yeah. It's my daddy called it crazy.
Yeah.
She called it. I did this day, your mom opened it. And we were in the mountain. Fion said Mommy was drunk. And then Daddy was like, oh, I realized that.
Yeah, walis ng Lebanon. Look.
Yalla, bye, McKinsey, Mommy. Hey, Daddy.
Ito ang walis ng Lebanon. There we go. Oh, boots.
What is here?
Here for buying. There is a church here. I don't know if it's open. I wanna see church.
Aida?
Yeah.
Right. Aida, where? Where's the entrance?
I really don't know.
Come, let's walk. Let's see after you lost us. Mommy, look. This is the building.
Yeah.
The one you said you wanted to get Novena.
Yeah, I have already in Philippines.
I have Novena, man.
Very nice. Yeah. This is Fadul. Mahek?
Yeah, but where we go now? We go to Fadul. We go to
This is Fadul? Where is the Fadul?
Where is the Fadul? shortcut.
Where is Fadol yan eh?
Baba.
You did not put in plastic? Thank you.
What about you? Meno
Meno Arbain? Ah, ano yun? Did I give it to you?
Meno Arbain yan.
Meno Arbain is 48.
2 pesos. Kaya she gives me 50.
5 each yan.
She will give me coins. It's not in the Philippines.
Is that 48? Meno Arbain. Dito pag may barya na 2 pesos, hindi na ibibigay.
They give it to you full for.
Yeah. Not like in Philippines, they give you even 1 peso sukle. Here, wala. No more coins in Lebanon. Oh, pahinga kami dito sa silong.
Gala, let's go.
Wait. Dumaan kami sa market. Kararating lang namin sa bahay. Dito na po kami. Ayan, bumili po ako ng sabon. Napkin. And then bread. And meat, beef. Ayan. Magluluto po tayo ng pang-lunch. Okay. We are eating apple.
One apple a day
Keeps
keeps
the
the
doctor
doctor away.
Which is actually false. Why? Well, it's true. You need to eat.
No, they actually say this so people can actually eat more apples. And make more money. Eh.
At ako naman po ay black coffee. Pure po ito na black coffee. Ito po yung galing sa Pilipinas na great taste. Yan. Okay. Ay, moist ang camera. So, ito po ang ganap ngayon. Wala po ang daddy namin. Kami lang. Maganda mag-stay ngayon kasi fresh. Hindi siya mainit. Alam nyo nung summer daw dito, around June, between June, July, August, mga ganyan, sobrang init daw. Heatwave ba ang tawag doon? Heatwave. O, nagka-heatwave dito ng 2 weeks. Between July to August, mga ganyan. First time daw nangyari sa Lebanon. Usually kasi pag summer, umaabot lang siya ng 33, 35, parang ganun. Umabot daw ng 40. Kapi-kapi tayo, guys. Ayan, so kuha tayo ng biscuit. Ito ay galing sa Philippines. Magkape tayo. Wala, ang biyanan ko nasa bundok pa. So kami lang na mga bata dito sa bahay. Yala, eat naman ko. Eat your
Yeah,
apple.
eat 2 apples.
Tagi-isa nila ng apple. Kinatkat ko sila. Yan. Ay, nako. Ayun, balik ulit kami sa school para ayusin ang mga papers ng mga bata. Meron pa kaming kukunin yung mga notebook nila. Books. Isa na lang ang hindi ko nabili. Kay Kian, kay Cheyenne. You, Cheyenne, what book you need? Physics na lang kay Cheyenne. Kay Kian, Arabic. Kape. Ado lamok. Ah, ado lamok. Lamok. What means lamok?
Manok?
Not manok.
Why you keep eating the cookies?
Yeah, because I like it.
We need for school.
Yeah, Fifi, don't worry. I bought for you. Mamiss you ni Lulan? Kin Lolo?
Yes, po.
Opo. Say, kumusta na sa Pilipinas? Talk to them in Tagalog. From now on, I will talk to you Tagalog.
Hindi.
Wala.
Hindi.
Ay, basta. Magsalita na tayo ng Tagalog. You need to learn. You're big enough now in Philippines.
Eh?
What you like most in Philippines?
The environment.
What else? Or Ilocano. What you learn to Lolo?
I learned from Bella sumurot na.
What?
Sumurot na ako.
Sumurot na, sabi niya. I will come. What else? To Egay. What you learn to Egay?
Bella!
What?
Bella!
She called Bella.
Yeah.
Bella.
Show what I learned how to climb trees like that.
What you learned to Lolo? What she taught you? What he taught you?
Do not waste food.
Bravo.
Hey, can I? Eh?
Huh?
Can I?
What?
You ask me.
What Lolo taught you? What you most, ano ba yun?
What was the first one you said to ate?
What most, what you miss to Lolo, yani, what Lolo taught you?
Not to waste food.
How about Lola? Sit down. Sit down here.
I don't know.
No, Lola.
Lola?
Yeah.
Mabari.
You try to
Exact
remember. Except the phone hala. Sit down, sit down.
Look on your eyes.
You,
Wait.
what you remember, yani, what Lola taught you?
Your eyes. Look at your eyes. Lola told me. Nothing is like this. Her head. Like
How Lola kiss you, Kiyam?
if you does like this, it. She smells you.
Yeah, she smell.
Oh, all I'm saying.
Instead of yeah. How about Tita Dang Dang?
Dang, I learned how to take pictures. To be as responsible, not as to be responsible, not like sudero.
How about Tita Belle?
Not to waste electricity.
Turn off the lights, turn
Yeah,
off the TV, turn
Yeah.
off the electric fan.
yeah, she always do that.
Yeah, she always tells you to do that.
Yeah, that's
Why am
Tita
I
Belle.
saying them, not you?
How about Tita Jong? Ay, Tito Jong.
Nobody. How to ride motorcycle.
Be patient.
Be patient. How
Or
about
else he will shout
Like
at
when
you.
we were trying to go to Gataran, but he was cleaning his van. He said, "Be patient."
How about Tito Jong? Yan
Now
Jong.
we learn cars and motorcycles from her. Tito John, we learn how to play.
We learned
Play
how to
chess.
play chess and the dama and
How about Tita Jerlyn?
how to take care of a baby.
That's what you taught? What that they taught you, Yamne? Lolo, what he said? Don't waste
Waste
food.
food.
Lola?
On your way.
If
Well-
you want to kiss someone and you want to make it unique, you
She smell. Tita Belle?
Don't waste that.
don't waste electricity.
Bella?
Sumurot na!
No. From me, Mami ne, ako yakiyan.
That's Bella, eh? Or is?
Is.
Oh, I miss Bella and Egay. How about Egay?
Maba, if I learn how to be like that, I'll learn.
Tarzan, yeah, he climbed. And he say,
Like,
Bella!
at his age, I don't dare to, I'm too lazy to even open my eyes. And I you see him in the jungle.
He climbed.
And he hit a contractor.
Yeah.
He destroys stuff and fixes stuff.
Allah, I miss Egay really.
I thought he was standing in the hadid. Mama, how the big, it was a big space. And Mama, how she hid them.
I learned to climb and to say, ah! Mama!
Besides yun, Bella! Kasi Bella!
Bella, I learned how to be selfish. Don't be selfish.
Kasi, sumurot na! Umay na! Sabi niya. How about Tito Renz?
Cook.
Cook, yeah.
Cook.
How about Sander?
Thunder.
Play all day. See how
Then
lazy
we are
he is.
independent.
See, play all day. See how he
Be messy. We be messy.
Yeah, messy Sander.
messy.
Anyway, it's fun in Philippines, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
I will never forget the Carabao.
yes, the good thing is the Carabao.
Never forgot about the bus ride.
Bus ride.
The bad experience.
And how about the boat? You forgot.
Yeah. You were that.
Yeah, Kian was dancing in the boat. I will show you the video. Yan, nung papunta kami sa lugar ni Tatang. Inshallah, I don't know when we come back. When we go
How
back.
many years? After 5 years.
After 5 years, we will be 20 years old.
And I'll be 15 years old.
Yeah, like the age of Ate. Oh my God, just pray that Lolo and Lola is still healthy.
They're gonna be 70s in the 70s.
Yeah. Ayan ako. Ewan ko guys, tignan natin. Yun ang mahirap na tanggapin, yung hindi mo ala. At least lahat naman tayo nahihiwalay sa parents pero yung at least kapag nasa around ka lang sa Pilipinas, pwede mo silang bisitahin. Dito kasi kailangan mo pa ng mag-earn ng money. Hindi naman kasi ganun kayaman ang asawa ko para anytime pwede kaming magbakasyon, ganyan. Noon kasi bata sila, every year kami. And mura pa yung ticket noon. Ngayon, almost full na yung ticket nila. Mahirap din naman i-afford yun. Siyempre, mag-ipon muna. And di natin alam kung ano ang mangyayari. Ano ang plano, di ba? So, yun ang mahirap. Kapag within ka naman sa Philippines lang yung napangasawa mo, anytime, kapag gusto mo, mapuntahan mo yung magulang mo, yung mga kapatid mo. Dito kasi hindi Kailangan mo pang mag-set ng time, ng date, mag-save para lang makauwi. Kaya yun, doon ako malungkot. Kasi kung kahit gustuhin ko man na uuwi, hindi ko magawa. Anyway. Time check dito, anong oras na anak? 6:50. So, yan, nag-i-snack sila. Mamayang gabi pa sila kakain ng dinner.
What do you eat for dinner? Kafta batata?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay.
If you bad. Ella, eat your fruits.
But not your rice.
Finish?
Not your.
Na, hala, I will cook.
Don't cook too much.
Okay. Ulit, ibigay natin ang ating pasalubong sa kanya. Yan. Ito po ang ating pasalubong. Bigay natin sa kanya. Ay, papiliin natin. Yung bag, guys, Tapos money. Danyo. Wait lang. Bigay natin.
Now that is
Sure.
chicken but so I don't.
Sure.
Haiduli last from Philippines. Haiduli handmade. Babari shubati. Haida o Haida?
Ada ada. Haida.
Haida?
Haida good.
Haida kaman good.
Wow, thank you.
Haida Awela Philippines.
ايه بلاك كوفي.
كيف بعمل هذا مي؟
مي
قهوة عادي؟ مي شوي
مي بعدين حطي
ملعقة.
هيدا from Philippines وهيدا
يي ثانك يو
ما في.
خلينا بالكيس.
اوكي
يعني
هيدا
هلا صار بابا جود.
ايه الحمد لله حبيبي.
الحمد لله الحمد لله. هيدا حلو هاي.
انا بعرف حبه
ايه مشان تليفون سبلاي.